I'm going to do a very easy snowy craft on this video. A kid sledding down the hill. And these are the materials you will need for this fun craft. First, let's make the kid on the sledge. Start by drawing with a pencil so that you can correct it if you do not like it. When you are happy with the drawing, trace it with a black pen, then erase the pencil lines and color it as you like. To make the sledge move on the cardboard, cut the paper as shown. Be careful not to cut the edges. Then color it with white pastel and draw some trees. Color them as you like. Cover the hill with cotton. Do not forget to leave some space between cotton and the lines you cut before. Otherwise, cotton may prevent sledge's movement. Hope you enjoyed our snowy day craft. If you liked it, do not forget to like it. And feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you think. And do not leave yet, because another video is up next. Or you might want to continue watching one of those videos I chose for you. I will be uploading easy to make, fun to play with craft videos each and every week. So do not forget to subscribe before moving on to the next video. Have fun. Bye.